Most homeowners think air conditioner pricing should be pretty much the same. Same house, same space, same style. Maybe it's your neighbor. They got a quote, you figure yours should be exactly the same. Doesn't always work that way. Houses can have different requirements even though they look the same and they're the same square footage. But when you get closer, they're not the same at all. You're not being quoted an air conditioner, you're being quoted a system, a plan, an installation. And those are almost never the same thing from one home to the next. Let me show you why this happens.
From a distance, same house, same unit, same job. But when you get closer, they're not the same at all. You're not being quoted an air conditioner. You're being quoted a system, a plan, and an installation. And those are almost never the same from one home to the next. The first thing is how the system is designed for your home. Not just the size, but how it actually fits the house. Two homes that look similar from the outside can have very different setups. Then there's the installation itself. Some installs are straightforward, others take a lot more work to get right. For example, line sets. Sometimes they're easy to work with, other times they're buried. Slab homes, multi-unit buildings, you can't just replace them. And if they don't match what the new system needs, that changes the job completely. And it's not just the lines. Sometimes it's the wiring. In certain homes, especially shared walls or older setups, you can't just run new control wires. So, when someone wants to upgrade to something like a heat pump, that decision can be affected by things you don't even see. A lot of what affects the cost isn't what you see. It's what's hidden behind the walls or under the surface. Then there's the home itself. Electrical, space, what has to be modified. These are things homeowners don't usually think about, but they affect the job more than the unit does. Then there's the type of system. Basic systems, higher efficiency systems, different approaches to comfort. They're not just different prices, they're different ways of solving the same problem. And timing matters more than people think. Doing this before summer is very different from doing it during a heat wave. One gives you options, the other limits them. This is why online prices don't line up, and it's why what your neighbor paid doesn't really help. It's also why you're starting to see online quotes that look simple, but don't always match what actually happens in the home, because without seeing the system, without seeing the layout, without seeing what's hidden, those numbers are just estimates. So the question isn't, what does an air conditioner cost? It's, what is driving the cost in my home? And once you understand that, the numbers stop feeling random, and the decision starts to feel clear.
Thanks for watching. Stay comfortable, and please, stay tuned.